My name is Dar J, and I'm a resident of Flemington. I was going through a divorce and I was in mediation, and my ex-husband was playing some psychological games with me, and I realized that in addition to the mediation process, I needed to have an attorney to represent me individually. Roseanne DeTorres has a amazing reputation in our county among women, and when you speak to other women who've had a divorce, her name almost always comes up, and the things that they say about her, the first word that they always say about her is what a wonderful advocate she is for women going through divorce. So she came very highly recommended from close friends that I trust. My experience with the firm was overall extremely positive. I can't even say one thing that didn't meet my expectations. I felt like my needs were met. I felt like my questions were answered. I felt like Roseanne took a lot of time to make sure that I was feeling okay about the process. Overall, it was extremely wonderful and positive. I was treated like a real person by this staff, and I think that was really important to me. I wasn't treated like a client in a stuffy way. I wasn't treated like a person who was coming in just to keep writing checks. I was treated like a real person, and that was a big factor in why I felt the experience was so positive. It would be hard to describe the best feature, but one of the best features was whenever I was in a moment of anxiety or panic in my legal situation, I felt like Roseanne was always there to not only answer my questions, but also to help me keep it all in perspective and actually keep me calm about what I was going through. I think what surprised me was that simultaneously I was seeing another lawyer who was our mediation lawyer. And the contrast between these two particular lawyers was very stark. From every part of it, from the billing part of it, and feeling like I was unfairly billed by this other person for things that I didn't feel were handled in a timely fashion, to just the manner of dealing with this other person and how corporate and sterile and unfriendly at times it seemed. Roseanne DeTorres' office was always available to answer questions. I never ever felt like I had to wait much longer than sometimes even an hour to get a response back from somebody, either by email, by text message, by phone call. Very responsive overall. Everybody in the office was very responsive. Friendliness is what you get when you come to Roseanne DeTorres. I can't wait until somebody needs a lawyer because I will happily recommend Roseanne DeTorres.